A very good morning to all of you. My name is Divya and my topic of presentation is Theorem on Closed Linear Transformation. Theorem: let X and Y be the norm linear space and D is a closed subspace of X, and if T is a transformation from D to Y is bounded, then T is also a closed linear transformation. So now, what is closed linear transformation? A closed linear transformation: let n and n dash be a non-linear space and D is a subspace of n, then a linear transformation T from D to n dash is said to be closed if and only if xn belongs to D and xn converges to x and txn converges to y, implies x belongs to D and tx is equals to y. Now we have to prove this theorem. Proof: let xn be any sequence in D such that xn converges to x and txn converges to y. Now we have required to prove that T is a closed linear transformation. For this, we show that x belongs to D and y is equals to tx. Now xn is a sequence in D converges to x and x is a limit point of D and x belongs to D closure and D closure is equals to D as D is closed. D is being closed, then the limit of the sequence xn must belongs to D, that is x belongs to D. Also, T is bounded implies T is continuous. How? We know that a transformation is bounded if and only if it is continuous. Therefore, T is bounded implies T is continuous. So, by the definition of continuity, xn converges to x implies txn converges to tx, but txn converges to y. So, y is equals to tx, as in the non-linear space, limits are always unique. Hence, proved. Next theorem: let X and Y be the norm linear space and D be a subspace of X if T is a transformation from D to Y is a closed linear transformation, then T inverse, if exists, is also a closed linear transformation. Now proof: since T is a closed linear transformation, then by the result, that is T is a transformation from D to Y is closed if and only if its graph is closed. So its graph gt is equals to ordered pair of x comma tx such that x belongs to D is closed. Now consider the range td of t, then T inverse exists. Now transformation from D to Y transformation है. Now for each y belongs to Td, there exists x in D such that T inverse y is equals to x. This implies T of x is equals to y. Now x is equals to T inverse y implies y is equals to Tx. Then gt inverse is equals to ordered pair T inverse y comma y such that y belongs to Td. Now consider the mapping x cross y to y cross x as ordered pair xy converges to ordered pair yx. This is an isometry isomorphism. Since isometry must send closed sets to closed set, we get ordered pair T inverse y to y such that y belongs to Td is closed. Therefore, this graph of T inverse, hence Gt inverse is closed, implies that T inverse is closed. Hence, T inverse is closed linear transformation. Thank you.